That's all right. You can be this. That's all right. No, it's okay.
We had washed it and we didn't get it all. I'm sorry.
It's all right. You guys got the bronze or reflective windows, I think.
Yes, they're all that way.
It's got 3 shelves. You see that? Yeah, she goes, what are you talking about? So it's like every bay, so at least they got 1 or 2 shelves in it. The toolbox and the rest of the stuff that doesn't come in it, doesn't come with it. The bins, there's bins there. Here's the Hydro Hot. You haven't had many issues except the replacing the pump, right?
That's correct.
I guess that's the original tailpipe.
Yes. Yeah, the whole exhaust system's all the same.
I don't think they have those parts anymore. So what comes with the coach?
The tubs.
Well, you got your water system here.
The water softener goes with it.
The water softener, which is here, goes with it.
Yeah.
Goes in there.
Yes.
It's got electric hose.
I don't know if that helps.
Right. He's got a pump for this for the waste of the black and gray water to push out, and he's got a hose, a sewer hose. And there's the pump for it, so you can really push out the black and gray water very, very far. And then he's got a sneaky gray water dump, which is over here. He dumps in the middle of the coach so no one can see. And this is the other side of the storage bays. There's 3 of them. They're all pass-throughs.
Yeah.
And this is the storage bay that he made. He goes deep. He goes real deep.
Wiggle one of those pins there, the bottom one, I think.
Oh, I almost had it. There you go. Yeah, it goes like 10 feet or so. Way in there. Oh, my head. There's the other side.
Then we pull it out.
That's okay. See, and you got your 3 shelves. He's got the top that's stationary. You got your, what do you call it? Joey drawer. That's a very wide one. That's for the slide, that's for the gas. Brand new steer tires. Here's your driver's door. It's clean and you can eat off of it.
I can't find it.
It's all right.
There it is up here. Mm-hmm. Not real handy.
Yeah. Ouch.
Watch.
It's okay.
That's kind of like shutting the gate after the horses out.
You got horses?
No. We got neighbors got horses.
We want to shut these and open up the slide.
Okay.
You're going to do in.